Week 7, almost a midterm. Day 14 for Introduction to Programming Logic. So we have our first cyber defense meeting coming Wednesday, the 17th, 10 a.m. in 216. On this past Friday, we had a Blender game industry demo. Intro to programming logic. We talked more about case structure. Assignment 6. Students should be working on their current code and working on peer reviews, design code. Need to be working on their computer circles and some of the basics. Copy the code from their directory to the group directory using copy command, which we covered previously. We talked about moisture content, bushels, moisture content, reviewed a little bit about flowcharts. Again, IPO, you have to know what do we want for a result, what kind of math or problem will solve that, and then what do we need to put in to get that result. It's just a good process to think about when attempting to design software. Here we talked about if the moisture content was 1, then we can assign the percentage. This is an else if, where you have if then else. And if. Normal if then statement, well, you could make it look like a case, which we covered previously. Using Python, you can, like here, measure moisture content. We enter moisture content. If it equals 1, we can assign this. If that's false, then we can check to see if it's 2. If that, then we can assign something. And if not, then we can assign something, or might be even another decision there. Bring these back together. So, in Python you can use if, else if to, actually as many times as you want to simulate a case structure. Assignment 6 is a good example where you might want to use that. Well, that's it for today.